Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Kichler ceiling fan remote suddenly starts acting differently, stops controlling the fan properly, or certain buttons no longer seem to respond the way they normally should, a quick reset may help refresh everything. Sometimes the light controls still work, but speed settings stop reacting, while other times the remote seems connected but nothing changes on the fan. A situation like this can happen because of syncing interruptions, battery issues, or temporary communication delays between the remote and ceiling fan. Before thinking you need a replacement, there are a few simple things worth trying because many remote issues can improve after a quick reset process. Let's go through an easy way to reset a Kichler ceiling fan remote. Try this. Step 1. Open the battery area of the Kichler ceiling fan remote and remove the batteries briefly. Step 2. Turn off power to the fan connected to the Kichler ceiling fan remote for a short moment. Step 3. Wait briefly before restoring power to the fan linked with the Kichler ceiling fan remote again. Step 4. Place the batteries back into the Kichler ceiling fan remote after checking they sit correctly. Step 5. Press the pairing or fan control buttons on the Kichler ceiling fan remote if syncing is needed. Step 6. Test light and fan controls using the Kichler ceiling fan remote and confirm normal response returns again.